Hello, welcome to ValueSpectrum.com. Today we analyze one of large cap companies on United States market. We just click prices, choose here United States market, and also choose United States large caps index. Now we will check stocks of Boeing company. To begin with, let's look at the highest and the lowest price of this company's stocks during last year. As we can see here, the stock price of a Boeing company reached its maximum level of over $157 and reduced to the minimum level of over $106 per stock. Let's look at the details. We just click on the name of this company. So here we can see that our company works in industry sector and, to be exact, in aerospace and defense subsector. In this report we also can find recommendations about this company. We see 1 sell, 1 hold and 4 buy recommendations. Also we can find an information about last price. Here it is over $156, and average price target. Here it is over $147. If you'd like to calculate the expected return, just subtract from the last price the average price and you'll got here about $9 per stock. Also we can analyze the graph about this company's stocks. You see some jumps in price, and you can also analyze it from the 2005 to nowadays. You can choose any date and see all the data. If you'd like to find annual reports of Boeing company, just click this button and download it for free and full here. Let's look at the results of Boeing. We will start with revenues. As we can see here, the revenues of Boeing company is rising during last 8 years. It reached its maximum of over $96 million in 2015 and fell to the minimum level at the beginning in 2008. About costs of Boeing company, we see almost the same situation. We see the minimum level of costs in 2008 and the highest in 2015. About profits of Boeing company, we see the highest result in 2015 and the lowest in 2009, only over $1 million. Let's look at the balance sheet. Here we see a lot of information about Boeing during last period. So let's start with the equity. We see the negative value of equity in 2008 and the highest amount in 2013, over $14 million. About total assets of Boeing company, we see the highest amount of total assets in 2014 and the lowest at the beginning in 2008. As we can see here, in 2015 the amount of total assets reduced compared to the previous year. We also can find information about employees of Boeing company. As we can see here, in 2014 165,500 people were employed at Boeing company. Let's also look at the details. We just click this button and get data about stocks of Boeing company during last 8 years. About earnings per share ratio, we see the lowest result in 2009, over $1.91, and the highest in 2015, over $7 per stock. About price earnings ratio, we see the highest result in 2008 and the lowest in 2010, only over $12. We also can analyze the information about the amount of stocks. We see the lowest amount in 2015, only over 667 million stocks, and the highest amount here, I think, in 2012, and also the same amount in 2009, over $756 million. About market capitalization, we see that in 2015 the result was over $103 million. It is the highest result of Boeing company. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Use value spectrum. Goodbye.